But what do we do to clean our shops? How do we do that? I wonder.
Oh, hi. I was wondering if you could help me with something. I've been looking for some really nice things to use in my bathroom that are not tested on animals and that are environmentally friendly, and I'm not having a lot of luck on the high street at the moment.
Well, you've come to the right place. We're 100% vegetarian, 76% vegan. As you can see, most of our stuff isn't packaged, so it's really environmentally friendly, and we have a really, really strict animal testing policy as well.
Oh, that sounds perfect. But I was just wondering, I've been looking for some household cleaners as well. So what's the ones that you use in here?
Oh, this is Monsieur de la Meslier.
So it's easy to see why we shouldn't really be using stuff like this in our shops. If we sell products that are not tested on animals, we shouldn't be using cleaning products that are tested on animals. So if you're not really sure whether a product is tested on animals, or if it's really hard to get the more environmentally friendly stuff where you are or in your country, you can just easily make your own products, either in the shop or get one member staff to do it at home. It's really easy. So the ingredients we're going to use today to make our cleaning products, while I throw these away, are sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda that you can easily find in any supermarket, and we also use it in our ballistics. We can use a little bit of borax that is in NutriBlend. It's a salt, and it's really good for just cleaning the floors and the surfaces and your skin as well. We can use some fresh fruit like lemons or lime if you live in a tropical country. And as you know, lemon cuts the grease, and that's why we put it in I Love Juicy, which is our next brilliant product for cleaning. Try to use a waste one, or just use a little bit of it. You can also use washing up liquid, but a non-animal tested one. And the king of the homemade cleaning products, white vinegar. You can use other kinds of vinegar if you can't find white vinegar. Last but not least, stuff for waxing wood. And we have olive oil if you're vegan, or beeswax if you think it's all right to exploit the bees. So let's start with a no-purpose cleaner. Take a little bit of I Love Juicy or your non-animal tested washing up liquid. You mix it with water, so you're just diluting the shampoo or the washing up liquid. Mix it with a spoon. You can just put a few drops of lemon just to make it smell nicer. You can also use a little bit of essential oil. Then you just put in a squirty pump bottle like that. And here we have our all-purpose cleaner. Look how good it is. The second thing we're going to make today is a window cleaner, and that's quite simple as well. We're going to need water, and we're going to need white vinegar, and we're going to use about half a pint of water and half a pint of vinegar, like my lovely helper is showing. And then you're just going to take the mixture and put in another squirty bottle, like that. Would you like to do it for me, helper? While I get the lemon. Again, just to add a bit of fragrance, you can either put a few drops of essential oils, grapefruit or lemon or lime work really well, or you can just put some fresh lemon. And here it is, your glass cleaner. And you can use it on mirrors, on windows, on any stainless steel surfaces, on tiles as well. It's brilliant, it works really well. And if you buy your cleaner in the supermarket, they'll definitely contain vinegar, so it's much cheaper to just make it yourself. So now we're going to make something for you to clean your floors with, and you can use it on wooden floors as well. And all you need is a little bit of water. What I'm going to make here is a concentrated foam that then on a daily basis you can just add to hot water when you're mopping the floors in the morning. So you're going to need about a heaped spoon of sodium bicarb. It bubbles like ballistics. A teaspoon or half a spoon of borax. About a quarter pint of vinegar. Whoa! Make sure you have a big enough jug. A little bit of lemon. again, just for fragrance and for cutting the grease. And this is a mixture that you don't need to wipe the floor after using it. If you put a little bit of I Love Juicy or a little bit of washing up liquid, it's nice to wipe the floor so it's not slippery. Mix it all and put like a cup in a bucket of hot water, and that's it. Then you have your mixture to clean your floors with. So the fourth product we're going to make today is wood polish, and that's quite simple to make. There are two versions. The first one, we're going to use olive oil and lemon. So all you need to do is put maybe 2 spoons of olive oil in a container, like that. Then you can put the juice of maybe half a lemon, or even a little bit less than that. Mix it all well. The lemon should sort of mix in with the olive oil. Then you can take a wipe or a little bit of Blue Rope, but try to use something that you can use again. We're going to use this tool here as our wooden surface. Make sure you're not using too much olive oil. And just polish the wood. You get very nice, shiny wood. Another way you can do this, and my helper Lizzie will show you, is by using a little bit of beeswax. And you can find beeswax in a farmer's market or in an antique furniture shop, or sometimes in just, a supermarket or a shop around the corner. You can also find it on the UK order form if you need any. Here we go. We have our 4 finished products. We have an all-purpose cleaner with I Love Juicy and water. We have a glass cleaner with just vinegar, water, and a little bit of lemon juice. We also have our floor cleaner with borax and sodium bicarb. And we have a wood polish with olive oil and lemon juice, or just neat beeswax. So let's give them a try.
Oh, hello again.
Oh, hi. Aha.
Yep.